Previously on Gunpla Note. Today we're gonna do the screwing, and as you can see, I spent a lot of time doing the fundamentals, and there's not much parts you can see on the screen. We're dealing with the skin tone and probably hair, and also the what we call the pure white. Those parts needs to be piling like layer after layer. Hello everybody, this is Arsenal. Today we are gonna start the airbrush process, and first thing first, we are gonna do the primer coat first. So as usual, we use the 1200 primer, liquid primer, and the to thin it down. Proportion is about 1 to 3 solvent. And however, one thing I like to mention is that when building figure model, we'll use a different kind of primer, which is the white primer, because it will provide a base color which is currently white, and use good for colors for like skin tone and this one, the pearl white. However, it's got the disadvantage I mentioned before, is that it's really hard for us to use the white primer to check all the imperfection, like the cracks or the bumpiness, the holes, because it just looks pure white. And you have to you can do that by checking on the light, the reflection. It will show just a tiny little bit, but with the gray primer, it will show more obvious. So if you're really confident with the your server's processing, all the fundamental thing is just perfect, got no faults at all, just go ahead and use white. Because what I mentioned is that we will pile layers after layers on top of the like figure building models. So it has this advantage because you don't have to put another coat of base color beneath it. The base, the primer coat already provide the base color you needed. So yeah, depends on what you need, and you can decide what kind of primer suits you the best, right? So yeah, we are gonna do all the primer coat first, except for this one, the synthetic rubber, because we are not gonna paint it at all, so we'll just leave it here. And the rest we will put them outside and start the airbrush process. Let's just get started. Right now we have finished all the primer coat, and overall I think they looks fine, except for some probably epoxy part. You see, because once it's dry out completely, it will shrink, so you can see the edges. As I mentioned, they do drop, so you can see the gap in between. But it's not major issue. You just have to like sand it gently around it, and it will ultimately fill the gaps. And the next thing we're trying to do is something different. I would like to use pink, which will be probably like here and there, all around the place, to do the direct approach and the reverse approach at the same time. So that will save us some time, because I want the pure white to have a little bit shading, but not too much. And I will explain how we're gonna achieve that by doing the direct approach and reverse approach at the same time. Alright, that's all for today's session. If you enjoyed this, please drop a like, leave a comment, and I will see you all in the next video. Thank you.